How to open or create Capital One bank account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to sign up for a Capital One account. So without further ado, let's get started by opening the web browser on your phone. Once you have opened the web browser, simply go to the capitalone.com by entering the URL in the search bar. And once you reach the home page, simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Now next, select set up online access to begin the registration process. And now you will need to enter some personal details like your last name, social security number or ITIN, or if you don't have an SSN or ITIN, click on use bank account number and enter your bank details instead. And at last, your date of birth. And after filling in all the required information, simply tap on Get Started to continue and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the remaining step. And once you have provided all the necessary details, your Capital One account will be successfully created. And that's how you can sign up for Capital One account in just few simple steps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.